Meaning of handhold.
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 Handhold. The term handhold can refer to both a literal and figurative meaning. Literally, it means to hold someone's hand or provide physical support and guidance. Figuratively, it means to provide emotional support, guidance or assistance in a particular situation. In both cases, the term is used to describe a supportive role in helping someone overcome challenges or achieve a goal. Handholding may involve providing additional resources, feedback, or advice to help someone reach their desired outcome. It is an important aspect of coaching, mentoring, and leadership in various contexts, such as business and personal development.